Once again, I welcome you in today's session. Those who join late, for them, let me tell you, today we are going to discuss some questions about our poem The Balloon Man. Okay, now you will see questions on your screen and you only need to type your answer in chat box. So, first question is there, the balloon man stands at the option A city square, option B market, option C market square, and option D school. So the correct answer is option C market square. Okay, balloon man stands at market square. Now for second question, Avishkar Pradeep Pardeshi. Can you hear me? आविष्कार बेटा ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन आपको रीड करना है. रीड दिस सेकंड क्वेश्चन. आविष्कार, can you read this second question? Okay, Arya, you can read second question.
The balloons are tied together with.
Very good. The balloons are tied together with. The balloons are tied together with. Four options are there. A glue, B tape, C cords, D string. Just type your correct option. Yes, very good. Nice. Some are saying tape. The correct answer is the balloons are tied together with string. The balloons are option D is correct answer. The balloons are tied together with string. And for first question, answer was the market square. Okay. Now question number 3. Let me check how many are there. Okay. So for question number 3, Rajveer. Rajveer, can you read question number 3? Rajveer Himanshu Patil. Can you hear me? राजवीर हिमांशु पाटिल, बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 रीड करो.
सर बुक में है क्या?
नो, दिस इज नॉट इन बुक.
मम्मी
ओके, कृपाल, कैन यू हियर मी?
and we shall see them sailing kite. We in the line refreshed too.
वेरी गुड. एंड वी शॉल सी देम सेलिंग हाई. we in the line refers to. Now here we have one line, and we shall see them sailing high. In this line this we refers to, मतलब ये जो we यहाँ पर दिया गया है वो किसे रेफर करता है? पुलिस, चिल्ड्रेन, एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स.
Children.
ओके ग्रुप में माइक बंद करो अपना भी. वेरी गुड. And we shall see them sailing high. In this sentence we is refers to option B, that is children. Okay, correct answer is option B, children. We shall see them sailing high means we children shall see them
सर
sailing high.
दिया गया है हमको.
Okay, now next question. Arnav, just read this question number 4. Arnav Shinde. Arnav, please read this question number 4.
The sizes of the balloon are
Read options also.
big, small, both are big, both are small.
Both are big.
Neither not small.
Okay.
ऑप्शन में बता दीजिए क्या है.
The sizes of the balloons are. Okay. Tell your answer also.
Option is C.
Okay. Very good.
Option is C. Sir C.
Okay. Now, so the
अरे
sizes
बजा
of
लाया.
the balloons are both big and small. Here we can see big and small
Big,
balloons are.
small.
Okay. So the answer is option C, both big and small. Okay, now let's move on to next question. Now in next question, here you will write one word for the following. Okay, you will write one word for the following. Now we have some sentences here, and
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
first sentence is there, an area where people buy and sell goods. What we call this area where people buy and sell goods? An area where people buy and sell goods. What we call that area? These all words are from your poem only.
आंसर इज मार्केट.
अर्णव बेटा अभी आपको माइक बंद ही रखना है. जस्ट टाइप योर आंसर. An area where people buy and sell goods. We call that area. Yes, very good. We call it market. Okay, we call it market. Nice. Now Question number 2. Sulaksh Khedkar. Sulaksh Khedkar, if you can hear me, then just read question number 2.
सर आवाज आ रही।
मैं बोलूँगा तभी आवाज़ आएगी ना सौरभ। मैं बोल ही नहीं रहा था, आवाज़ कैसे आएगी? मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ सुलक्ष के लिए। वेटिंग फॉर सुलक्ष। सुलक्ष, कैन यू रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2? ओके, नाउ सुलक्ष तक तो आवाज़ नहीं जा रही। देन लेट्स सी सौरभ पाटिल. Saurabh Patil, can you hear me? So question number 2 is a number of same type of things tied together. A number of same type of things tied together. What we call it? A number of same type of things tied together. What we call it? In your poem there is one word. Some are saying balloons, but balloons is not correct answer. A number of same type of things tied together. For this line, there is one word in your poem, that is bunch, bunch. Okay, that called bunch. Now question number 3. Question 3. Himanshu. Himanshu, can you read question number 3? Himanshu Jai Kumbhar.
A shape having four STRAGHT standard
Straight.
equal
Equal.
sides and four angles of 90.
Okay, a shape having 4 straight equal sides and 4 angles of 90 degree. So you need to identify that shape. A shape having 4 straight equal sides. Some are saying circle, some are saying oval, some are saying square. A shape having 4 straight equal sides and 4 angles of 90 degrees. See there, that shape has 4 equal sides and that all are straight. So now you easily identify. Yes. So the answer is square. Okay. Because square has four equal straight sides and angles are 90 degrees each. यहाँ पर जो एंगल तैयार होता है ना वो 90 डिग्री होता है ना. ओके. वेरी गुड. जिन्होंने स्क्वायर आंसर दिया, नाइस. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नेहा बाविस्कर. नेहा बाविस्कर, कैन यू हियर मी? Okay, Neha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then read question number 4.
सर मैं
Okay, Rajveer, read question number 4.
a meal eaten in the middle of the day.
A meal eaten in the middle of the day. What it calls? A meal eaten in the middle of the day. What we call it? A meal eaten in the middle of the day. मील का मतलब है यहाँ पर खाना. ओके. जो खाना हम मिडल ऑफ द डे मतलब दोपहर में जो खाते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? Okay, very good. So a meal eaten in the middle of the day is called lunch. हम उसे कहते हैं लंच. Okay, now next question, question 5. Question number 5. Now who will read this question number 5? जिसको भी रीड करना है वो सिर्फ चैट बॉक्स में अपना नाम टाइप करो, मैं उसको बोलूँगा फिर.
Registered rates for typing things together.
ट्विस्टेड थ्रेड्स फॉर टाइपिंग. ये जो टाइपिंग ये जो वर्ड है ना, ये टाइपिंग मिस्टेक है. यहाँ पर सिर्फ टाइंग थिंग्स टुगेदर. ओके. ये पी जो है ये पी नहीं है. ट्विस्टेड थ्रेड्स फॉर टाइंग थिंग्स टुगेदर. ओके. ट्विस्टेड थ्रेड for tying things together. So just type your answer. Twisted threads for tying things together. What we call it? Twisted threads for tying things together. For this one word in your poem is there. Yes, very good, Hridaya. Twisted threads for tying things together. We call it string. Okay. In your poem, you can see one word is used there. String. STRI STRING string. Okay. Now last one. Chaitanya. Can you read last?
Pool,
Okay.
had in a particular direction.
Okay. Anyone? किसी और को रीड करना और
To pull something hard in a particular direction.
to pull something hard in a particular direction. So for this one word is used.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ
प्रिया बेटा तू ना थोड़ा सा ना शांत रहा कर. अभी ये दूसरा बुक रीड कर रहा तो मेरी आवाज कैसे आएगी. चल अभी माइक ऑन कर ही दिया है तो ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 रीड कर. चल प्रिया रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. To pull something hard in a particular direction. To pull something hard in a particular direction. For this action there is one word used. For this showing this action one word is used in your poem. So just find out that word. To pull something hard in a particular direction. In second stanza you can find when there is a wind they. To pull something hard in particular direction. For this action there is one word. and from that word there is one game also. In that game you pull one big rope.
इस गेम का नाम रस्साकशी लगता है मुझे.
In English there is a name for that game, and that word is the answer for our question number 6. To pull something hard in a particular direction. I gave you 2-3 hints.
Pull some kid hard direction.
Okay, so yes, very good, Siddhi. Siddhi gave the correct answer. That word is tug, tug. To pull something hard in a particular direction. This action is called tug. Tug, tug. Okay. Now let's move on to next question. Okay, make sentences. Our next question is make sentences. First word is market. By using this word market, you will make one sentence. जिसका सेंटेंस कंप्लीट होगा वो अपना माइक ऑन करके आंसर दे सकता है.
Sir.
ओके.
Sir. Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
I am go to the market.
I will go to the market. Okay. Any other? Okay. Very good.
In the market, a sale. Go to market, a sale.
Okay. Very good. So you just type your answer now because so many students are
Market.
typing their answers. Just type your answer. Just like Siddhi type, I go to the market for shopping. Very good. Then Swati, I go to the market to buy new dress.
I am come.
In the markets, people take vegetables and fruits. Very good. So there will be different sentences. Okay. So you will make your own sentence.
Home.
Okay. Now number 2 is pretty. Next word
The butterfly is
pretty.
very. The butterfly is very pretty.
Next word is pretty.
The butterfly is. The house is very. The house.
Just type your answer. Very good. Fresh flowers are very pretty. My doll looks pretty in new dress. The car is pretty. My mother buy. The girls are very pretty. Nice. My sister is very pretty. Very good. Okay. Now next word. Next word is colorful. Next.
My house is very colorful. My dress is very colorful. My table is very colorful.
Very good.
Rainbow. Very colorful. Rainbow. Very colorful.
Rainbow is very
My car is colorful.
good.
It's very colorful. Color.
Next word.
My drawing is colorful.
Now next word is lunch.
Car is colorful. I ate my. I eat sweet lunch. I ate my lunch. Very colorful lunch.
Okay, so this is all for our today's class. Okay, this is all for our today's class. Now we are going